Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be making some fried fish for me and the girls here in the house. So we just kind of want something to munch on, and I decided that it would be a great idea to share with you guys what I'm going to be making. So I'm going to season it slightly different, and I'm excited because the Santa Cruz Chili Company sent me a new seasoning to try, and I'm super excited to try it with this delicious fried fish. So if you guys are interested, let me go ahead and start frying. Hold on just a few seconds. I just want to make sure that you guys have set your reminders. Click that little bell down below. It'll set your reminder for when I upload every day or sporadically. So it's going to be up to you guys, but just make sure that you guys are subscribed. And if you're still not convinced, maybe tomorrow you'll change your mind. So let me go ahead and start frying. The type of fish I'm using today is a tilapia. Some of you have never even seen one, but this is a great time to get to know your food.
Side profile.
Yeah, es una mojarra. Okay, nice. So my market kept it nice and clean. Took the scales off for me. There's still bone in here, don't worry. I know how to eat around it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a few slices. And I'm gonna go deep. You guys remember when we did the salmon and we got it really crispy that way? Same concept.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So you're not going all the way through, right? Just, oh yeah, there you can see it.
Yeah, it's going all the way in.
Okay, cool.
Let's see if I can go in a little deeper. Give it an extra one over here. It's really easy. I love fish, girl.
So good.
Okay, so in the cavity, I'm gonna put all my garlic, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of my seasoning.
Ooh. That seasoning smells like delicious lemon.
Yes, girl. I want to make sure I get in good here. Rub it. So here on the outsides, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of salt in the crevice. And I'm using coarse salt. If you guys don't have coarse salt, use regular salt. Just be careful not to add so much because it might get too salty, okay? Did I go deep enough in here?
It's about a pinch, right, for each slit. Yeah.
Not too much. See? Fresh fish. Okay. My lovely friends at Santa Cruz Chili Co. You guys hear me brag about them often. They sent me a mango chipotle sea salt, I believe it is, seasoning. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it to this fish so that I can really bring in that flavor. If you guys don't have this, it's okay, but if you're interested in ordering it, I'll put the link in the description area for you. So let me go ahead and pour some over here. And I really love, I was actually like dipping my finger with this on its own. So I'm gonna add a little bit in the inside and mostly on the outside right here.
And it's not spicy, right?
No, it's not spicy at all.
Because I thought maybe I was too immune to chili, because when I tasted it, I was like, oh, it's not spicy. It's savory.
Well, I feel comfortable saying that I've become friends with the owner at the Santa Cruz Chili Company. And she shared one of her recipes that I'm going to be trying. But since I was going to make fish today, I was like, oh, I'm going to try it with this fish. And then I'm going to try her recipe, which I am super fangirling about.
You're blushing right now.
Yeah. It's like little kids at Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. Like that's how I feel.
Nice.
Okay. I think I can afford to put a little bit more of this in here. Put some in the head. Just pour it in. And you know, fish, you really don't need anything for it. It's just good, especially when it's fresh like that. So, all right. So now that we have this set here, we're gonna go ahead and fry it up because that's the best way to eat a fresh, whole fish. And if you guys have been watching me for a long time, you know I usually go to my grocery store and wait for them to have a crispy fish, but I had to start making it on my own. You already know. So let me go ahead and fry it up. My oil is on a medium heat. Now we're gonna check if we're ready to fry. So with a wooden spoon, a wooden chopstick, no plastic, no metal. If it bubbles up like that, we are ready to go. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Woo! A little slow today, but yeah, let's do this.
You had a long work day, Cloudy?
I was expecting some café de olla when I walked in, but
Girl, I need to get back on it. That's addictive. All right, so let's get ready. It's gonna get pretty loud, so I'm just gonna go ahead and drop it and let it fry, okay guys?
and I'm gonna run for cover.
You better run for cover. 1, 2, 3, fry! Woo! Yes.
I'm way out here. Mika!
Hey!
I'm in Michigan.
How are you, Mika, over there in Michigan?
Muy bien.
This is gonna be a thick and juicy fish. It's heavy.
What are you doing with it? Oh, you're picking up the product?
I'm taking out whatever's flaking off so that it doesn't pop on me. And you want to do the same.
That's a good idea.
If you notice, the oil, I didn't put it all the way to the top. I put it at less than halfway because this fish was pretty heavy and I didn't want it to overflow. So be careful the way you're filling your oil for your pans, friends.
Shout out to my brother-in-law, Robert, who loves to fill the oil all the way to the rim.
Yeah, babe, what's up with that? We got a rep to protect.
That's the only time you don't want to go big or go home.
Yeah. So when I fry, I like to use this little ladle to help it start cooking on the other side and seal in all the delicious flavors. But you also want to be careful not to touch this after you touch your frying oil because you could burn yourself. How do I know? Because I've been there, done that.
You don't want to brag about those burns.
No, I'm all scarred up. Ooh, yeah.
I once had a fried fish like that at a restaurant and they dolled him up and I could not eat it.
What? Hold on, girl. Hold on. You better save that story for me just a minute. Friends, I got a little startled when my sister just said. So while I continue to fry, let's go ahead and ask this woman how they dressed her fish.
Oh, she hasn't even stopped laughing. So I ordered a fish just like that, fried, and I thought from the picture I thought it was gonna be just a fried fish and it was gonna have like veggies and other things on the side. No, bro, the fish comes out and the tail is covered with this white thing on it that makes it look like a skirt. It's made out of like plastic or paper.
What?
Hold on. Like a hula skirt is on it, okay, from the lower half, and then the eyes have red bell peppers. No, it was green bell peppers, and then the lips had red bell pepper, and it looked like lipstick, like drawn on lips. And then on the top of the head thing, the person did a bow made out of spring onion. So I was like,
What?
can you eat my daughter?
Girl.
I was like, I can't laugh at the fish. You gave its life for me. I can't eat this right now.
I don't know.
I took it
I'm worried.
I took it home though, and I took all of its little clothes off.
What? You know what? Our people are creative.
It wasn't even our people.
Oh, then I'm worried. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and flip my fish. Oh
Oh,
yeah.
that crispiness. Look at that.
Yes. Fish is done super easy and quick, so it's going to be up to you how long you want to keep your beautiful fish here. And for me, I like it really crispy, so it's going to be here for a few minutes. I'm just going to continue to bathe this fish with hot oil. All right, friends, I'm not going to be digging in the fish today because we're going to be digging in, because that's how I'm going to scarf it down. Because I want to present this for my mom and I want her to feel super special. She did grow up in an area where she's surrounded by like the ocean and always had fresh fish. So I'm excited for her to enjoy this delicious meal with my sister and I. And to wash it down, it's going to be some lemonade. Que lemonade. Es agua fresca de limón, like lemon, the key lime lemonade I taught you guys how to make a while back. That's what we're going to be washing it down with. But I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. And on that one, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!